Do you know how much water you should drink in a day? This question may seem simple, but the answer isn't quite as straightforward as you might think. Hydration plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. It's the lifeblood of our bodies, quite literally. Our bodies are around 60% water after all. It's essential for maintaining our body temperature, lubricating our joints, and transporting nutrients throughout our body. It even aids in flushing out toxins and waste products, keeping our systems clean and functioning optimally. Now, how much water should you be drinking to stay adequately hydrated? Well, you may have heard the advice to drink 8 glasses a day. While this is a good general guideline, it doesn't take into account individual factors that can influence your personal hydration needs. For example, your age, sex, and weight can all impact how much water you need. Older adults often need more water than younger people, and those with more body mass may require more hydration than those who weigh less. Physical activity level is another key factor. If you're frequently exercising or engaging in strenuous physical activities, your body will lose more water through sweat, meaning you'll need to drink more to compensate. Even the climate you live in can affect your hydration needs. Those living in hot or dry climates, for instance, will likely need to drink more water to stay hydrated compared to those in cooler, more humid environments. So, when it comes to hydration, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Our bodies are unique, and so are our hydration needs. The important thing is to listen to your body. If you're thirsty, drink. If you're active, drink more. And remember, other fluids like juices, teas, and even foods like fruits and vegetables can contribute to your daily hydration. So while we can't give a one-size-fits-all answer to our opening question, we can say this: staying hydrated is crucial for your well-being. So grab a glass of water and drink up. Your body will thank you. Let's delve deeper into why water is so important for us. Drinking water is not just about quenching thirst, it's about fostering optimal body function and enhancing our overall health. One of the most visible benefits of water is its ability to improve skin health. Water keeps your skin hydrated, making it look more youthful and radiant. It helps to maintain skin elasticity and replenish skin tissues, thus aiding in the delay of telltale signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Moving on, water plays a pivotal role in physical performance. It lubricates the joints, reducing the likelihood of joint pain and stiffness. It also aids in muscle contraction, helping to prevent muscle cramps and sprains. Furthermore, staying hydrated helps maintain your body's balance of fluids, which is crucial in transporting nutrients, regulating body temperature, and digesting food. Sufficient water intake can also ward off fatigue. Dehydration can lead to feelings of tiredness and reduced alertness. By drinking enough water, you're ensuring that your body has the fuel it needs to function efficiently, thereby increasing energy and reducing fatigue. Water is also integral to several essential bodily functions. For instance, it aids in digestion by forming saliva and gastric juices, which are crucial for breaking down food. It also helps keep your kidneys healthy by assisting in the elimination of waste products and excess nutrients. When it comes to regulating body temperature, water is a superstar. It redistributes heat from active tissues to the skin, helping us maintain a stable body temperature. This is especially vital during physical activities where body heat increases and needs to be balanced out to prevent overheating. Not to mention, water also plays a role in brain function. It aids in the production of hormones and neurotransmitters, and even a slight level of dehydration can impair memory and concentration. As you can see, water plays a multitude of roles in our bodies, contributing to our overall health and vitality. Did you know that water can enhance your physical beauty? Yes, you heard that right. Just like how water nourishes the roots of a plant, it also plays an essential role in nourishing your body, and in turn, your beauty. Think about your skin. It's the largest organ in your body, and it's mostly composed of water. Hydration is key to maintaining its health and vitality. When we're well hydrated, water acts like a natural moisturizer, keeping our skin supple and elastic. It helps to prevent dryness, flakiness, and even wrinkles. Yes, staying hydrated can indeed be a secret weapon for anti-aging. Now let's talk about another symbol of beauty, your hair. Each strand of hair is made up of 1/4 water. When you drink plenty of water, you're ensuring that your hair remains strong and shiny. Dehydration can lead to brittle hair and, in severe cases, even hair loss. So, if you dream of having luscious locks, make sure you're drinking enough water. Water also helps in flushing out toxins from the body. It aids in the removal of waste and unwanted substances that can affect the health of our skin and hair. By drinking ample water, you're helping your body in its natural detoxification process. This not only makes you feel healthier, but also gives your skin a natural glow. And remember, there are no shortcuts. You can't just drink a gallon of water one day and expect magical results. Consistency is key. The benefits of water on your beauty are not a one-time thing, they're a lifestyle. Furthermore, it's not just about the quantity but also the quality of water you consume. Make sure you're drinking clean, purified water. Your body deserves the best, and so does your beauty. So if you're aiming for a natural glow, don't underestimate the power of water. It's not just a beauty enhancer, it's a life enhancer. Drink up and let the magic of water work wonders on your beauty. Water doesn't just benefit our physical health, it's also vital for our mental well-being. Let's dive into the fascinating world of water and mental health. When we don't consume enough water, our bodies become dehydrated. But did you know that dehydration can also affect our mood and cognitive function? That's right. Even mild dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue, confusion, anger, and depression. Our brain, like the rest of our body, is composed of nearly 70% water. It needs a consistent water supply to function optimally. When the water supply dwindles, our neurons, the brain's chemical messengers, struggle to deliver their messages. This can lead to difficulties with focus, memory, and problem-solving skills. But that's not all. Dehydration can also cause stress. When our bodies are low on water, our systems go into a state of emergency, triggering a stress response. This response can create feelings of anxiety and tension. Now let's flip the coin and look at how proper hydration can support mental health. Drinking enough water helps maintain balanced brain function. It ensures that the neurons can fire off those messages effectively, keeping our cognitive functions sharp. Water also promotes relaxation. When we're hydrated, our bodies don't need to be in a state of constant alert. This can help us feel more relaxed and at ease. Hydration can even boost our sleep quality. Good sleep is crucial for mental health, and staying hydrated can help us achieve those coveted 8 hours. But perhaps one of the most remarkable benefits of water is its potential to alleviate symptoms of mental health disorders. Some studies suggest that regular hydration can help manage symptoms of disorders like depression and anxiety. So, water is not just a thirst quencher, it's a vital tool for maintaining mental well-being. It helps us think clearly, feel more relaxed, sleep better, and potentially even manage mental health conditions. So, for a healthy mind as well as a healthy body, remember to keep that water bottle handy. Let's quickly revisit what we've learned about the importance of hydration. We've journeyed through the world of water, exploring its significance and the role it plays in our overall health and well-being. We've seen that hydration is not just about quenching thirst, but a fundamental element that supports various bodily functions and contributes to our vitality. We started by discussing the importance of hydration, highlighting that our bodies are made up of around 60% water. This water plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, from digestion and absorption to circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and maintenance of body temperature. We learned that the amount of water we need can vary based on various factors. These include our physical activity level, the climate we live in, and our overall health. However, the baseline recommendation is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Next, we delved into the many health benefits of drinking water. We discovered that it aids in digestion, helps maintain healthy skin, supports weight loss, boosts our immune system, and even aids in flushing out toxins from our body. We then explored the fascinating connection between water and beauty. Hydration is key to maintaining healthy, glowing skin. It helps keep our skin moisturized, reduces wrinkles, and gives it a radiant glow. More than skin deep, hydration also contributes to healthy hair and nails. Finally, we looked at how water can positively impact our mental health. We learned that even mild dehydration can affect our mood and cognitive function. Staying hydrated can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and promote overall mental well-being. So as we conclude our journey, we can clearly see how essential water is for our health, beauty, and mental well-being. Hydration is not a luxury, but a necessity. So let's make it a habit to drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. And remember, while the exact amount may vary, the message is clear. Drink plenty of water every day for optimal health and well-being.